Chapter 5 A Beautiful Bond. We thank you, God. Hello, students. This poem expresses gratitude to nature. So, let's find out what is being thanked for. For grass and flowers and growing trees, for birds and butterflies and bees, for our fathers and our mothers, for our sisters and our brothers, we thank you, God. For home and all the love that's there, for food we eat and clothes we wear, for books to read and songs to sing, for playmates and for everything, we thank you, God. It is a heartfelt expression of gratitude to God for the beauty of nature, love for family, and the blessing of everyday life. They embrace the presence of grass, flowers, and growing trees, as well as birds, butterflies, and bees, highlighting the wonders of the natural world. Thanks for the love and support of father, mother, sisters, and brothers. Thanks to the comfort and warmth of home, the nourishment provided by food and clothing, the joy found in books and music, and the companionship of playmates. They express a deep sense of appreciation for the richness of life's experiences and the blessings bestowed by God. My brother. Hello, students. Elder sister always treat her younger brother or sister as mother. Here, one story is about a sister's love and care for her younger brother. There was a small hill. A path was passing through the hill. It went through the trees of pine and fir. Because of that, it looked lovely. People often walked on it to a holy place. One day, the sun shone high in the sky. Many people were climbing up the hill slowly and carefully, so they reached there safely. A girl also climbed up the hill with them. Her name was Meena. Meena was 12 years old. She was not alone. She carried a boy on her back because he was not able to climb. He was 4 years old. His hair was curly, eyes were black, and his face was shining in the bright sun. Meena climbed up the hill slowly and steadily with her brother. Both Meena and her brother were happy. A man in the group looked at Meena. He felt sorry for her. He said to her,
"My child, why are you carrying a boy on your back? Don't you feel his load?"
Meena looked at him in wonder. She could not understand him. She said, "He is not load. He is my brother." In the story, a girl named Meena was carrying her brother on her back and climbing the hill. To reach holy place, it was not easy to climb on hill with load on back. But Meena was happy because she was carrying her brother. He was unable to walk. He was not load for her. He was her brother. We feel load of unwanted. But here, brother is not unwanted. Meena is attached with him. A cunning jackal. Hello, students. Honesty has been talked about in this story. We should never cheat anyone, otherwise we also face trouble. Once, a cunning jackal jumped into a big tub of blue dye. The cunning jackal turned blue from head to tail. When he went back to the jungle, all the animals looked at him and were shocked. So, he looked at himself into the river water and thought of an idea. He went back to jungle and said to animals,
"I am here to protect you. I am your king."
All the animals believed him and bowed before him. The clever jackal smiled. Now he was the most powerful animal in the forest. He was proud to be the king. Once the jackal woke up in the middle of the night, other jackals in the forest were howling at the full moon in the sky. The blue jackal forgot that he was the king. He too began to howl. He cried, The animals ran out to see.
He's just a jackal.
They rushed to attack him.
I'm sorry. I fooled you. Please forgive me.
He vowed never to bother anyone. So the animals forgave him. Once, a clever fox jumped into a tub of blue paint, turning blue from head to tail. Shocked by his new appearance, the forest animals believed him when he declared himself king. He enjoyed his newfound power until one night he forgot his royal garb and howled at the moon with the other foxes. The animals realized that he was a jackal and prepared to attack him. The fox begged for forgiveness, promising never to deceive them again. The animals forgave him, and he learned a lesson of an honesty.